Hey, it's Sammy. On June 24th, we took 10 trades today in Dow futures for 288 points. Let's take a look and see how everything played out. This is our first trade. We're trading pre-market here. We're coming through this short ledge. There's a lot of volume above us at VPOC, so we're going to go ahead and take it short and see if we can get down towards VWAP here, maybe even that other Fibonacci level. Now, as we test that pink line VWAP, we're going to lock in 27 points. All right, you can see we punched through VWAP, so we're in this trade now short. We've got some pretty decent data. We are still pre-market though, so there's not a lot of follow through on these moves. That's why we set our stop loss to break even. It's not worth taking the risk. So what's going to happen here is we're going to take a break even trade. You can see that market pulled all the way back up to VWAP. Now we're using resistance again, that big thick red line. We're bouncing off of it. We've got some short time frame data. We're still pre-market, so we're going to try and short again. Now we've broke through VWAP. We've broke through this volume area here. We're going to start trailing this stop loss down, and we're going to trail it to plus 20, and it's going to get hit with plus 20 points. This is crazy. Look at that big spike to the left. It went all the way up. It hit that green line, which is deviation 1. The market pulled all the way back down to VPOC, volume point of control. Now it's coming back up through 30-minute resistance. We're going to go ahead. So we're trying to work our way up to value area high. We're going to start trailing this trade long, and we're going to end up with 30 points with our trailing long 30-point stop loss. All right, we're really holding our data here. We're going to try and go long again through the value area high. We're going to make sure we protect that trade by moving that stop loss to break even for a risk-free trade, and we're going to take a break even on this one. You can see we broke through. Now we're at the 138.2 Fibonacci level. Value area highs right above us. We got plenty of data. We're going to try and long this thing. So we're hitting our value area high. Now we're going to start trailing really aggressively as we go through this area. You can see we're trailing for plus 40 points. All right, we are taking our signature soda reversal trade. This is a trade reversal off basically almost the high of the day, but essentially the high for the opening of this session. The market is overextended right now, so we have some signals with data to go short. We're going to aggressively trail this stop loss down first with plus 30, then a plus 40. Ultimately, we trailed all the way down to plus 51 points. All right, we're going to go short again right here. We still have the data. We're trying to get back down to that value area low. So as this trade is moving, once again, we're trailing really aggressively. We trail all the way down to a plus 41 point. Now we're going to enter this short one more time. We're going to go down to that deviation band. Now watch towards the end here, this market just pops. We were looking for this short the whole time from the top. It pops down. Now it didn't fill my take profit, but I ended up with 49 points. I left for about an hour, went and had some breakfast, came back and noticed, wow, the market just went long off of that value area low. Now we're back up to value area high. I've got good data. I'm going to go long here and trail very aggressively. We're going to hit a plus 30 for our last trade of the day.